Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your passwords with LastPass, full guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the LastPass app from your preferred app store or visiting the LastPass website. Create a LastPass account by clicking the sign up button and entering your email address. Choose a strong master password that you will remember. Avoid using personal information in your master password. Once your account is created, log into LastPass with your email and master password. You will be prompted to install browser extensions for easy access. Follow the instructions to add the LastPass extension to your web browser. Next, open the LastPass extension and log in using your credentials. To add a password, navigate to the website for which you want to save your credentials. Enter your username and password as you normally would. LastPass will prompt you to save this password. Click Save. To access your saved passwords, open the LastPass extension. You will see a list of your stored accounts. To retrieve a password, click on the account name to reveal details. You can also edit stored passwords by selecting the pencil icon. For added security, enable two-factor authentication within your LastPass account settings. This adds an extra layer of protection when logging in. To secure your passwords across devices, download the LastPass mobile app. Log in using the same credentials you created earlier. Ensure synchronization is enabled to keep passwords up to date on all devices. Regularly review and update your passwords for improved security. Consider using LastPass's password generator to create strong, random passwords for new accounts. Familiarize yourself with LastPass's security challenge feature to identify weak or reused passwords. Schedule periodic security audits to ensure your passwords remain secure. LastPass also allows you to securely share passwords with trusted individuals. Open the account you wish to share and click the share icon to begin the process. Adjust sharing settings according to your preference, and send the invitation. Finally, keep your master password confidential and do not share it with anyone. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.